Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai i30, stock number 6581. This ran from the 12th 2007 to 4th 2012. It has a G4GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door 2 small creases. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,